Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can install ChatGPT on your Android device. So it's super easy and we will make sure you get it right. You just make sure to watch the complete video carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. So let's get started. Guys, open up your Google Play Store on your Android device, and here you can search for the OpenAI Chat GPT. So after that, here you can see I have already installed that application. Now click on the app and select install. You can as I have already installed, so I can just tap on open, and here you can see I have to log in first. Now and here you can see I have entered my number, and after that your chat GPT will be logged into your account.